All right, shalom, besties. Welcome to another episode with BahtKaleb Consulting. My name is Malka, and today we are going to go over how to use business credit cards properly and strategically. Business credit cards are there for you to use strategically to grow your business, which grows your wealth. Let's get started. Of course, Yahweh's first, always, so we have to start off with a scripture. Proverbs 21:20. There is treasure to be desired and oil in the dwelling of the wise, but a foolish man spendeth it up. This verse encourages saving and careful planning, prudent stewardship rather than excessive spending or reliance on credit. Credit cards are to be used strategically. How to use them properly. Use 30% or less of the limit. Pay on time every time. That 30% or less will keep your credit score going up. Separate your personal and your business spending. Pay weekly or bi-weekly, not monthly only. If you want a credit boost, whether it's your personal credit or your business credit, try to pay the amount weekly or bi-weekly, meaning you don't have to pay the full amount, just a portion. All right? Scripture for that, Proverbs 13:15. Good understanding, give it favor. The 30% rule is non-negotiable. Non-negotiable. I said it twice. The 30% rule is non-negotiable 3 times. Never use more than 30% of the limit. Ideal usage, the sweet spot is 10 to 20%. High usage lowers business and personal scores. High usage will lower your business score, or if it's your personal credit card, your personal score. Let's say you have a $10,000 limit. Keep the balance under $3,000. Pay it down weekly if needed. Do you hear me? Common mistakes that people do, they apply for too many cards all at once and using business credit cards for personal bills and maxing out the limits and not building vendor credit first. Build vendor credit. Get those credit cards, but use no more than what I said. You want me to go back? Let's go back. 30% or less of the limit. 30% of the limit. Ideal usage 10 to 20%. See, I went back so you can see it. And don't use it for your personal bills. It's not there for personal. It's there for you to strategically grow your business. Your business is is an entity outside of you. What business credit cards should pay for? Inventory, marketing and ads, software and subscriptions, equipment, vendor payments, business travel. If it doesn't make or protect money, it doesn't go on the card. It's not for you to go on a shopping spree. So all those people telling out there, oh, apply to this and get 20,000 credit and get 50,000 and get 100,000 and so you can have a Bugatti and a Bugatti, of course. Ours costs what, 3 million? So you can have a Bugatti or so you can have a Lamborghini and you can have this. No, it's for your business. They want you to go to jail. What never goes on business credit? Personal rent or mortgage. If you want to know how to use that in that aspect for your business, then you can contact us and we can tell you how to do it legally, which is IRS approved, government approved. Don't use it for groceries for your home, for your vacations. Unless your vacations are business retreats, business meeting, emotional spending. You're just having a bad day, so you're going to go retail therapy. No, that's not what your business credit cards are for. Don't do that. Understand the purpose of business credit. Business credit cards are tools, not your income. They aren't meant to manage cash flow, build business credit profiles, create leverage, fund revenue generating activities. No, it's there for you to build leverage. You can build your business credit profile, getting numerous cards, using it for inventory to better your business, and paying those off. The payment strategy, weekly or bi-weekly payments. Don't wait for the due date. Pay before the statement closes. Keep your utilization low. Improve approval odds later. If you keep the utilization low, you get approved for more cards and you get approved for higher credit limits. The strategy is to use a card, pay within 7 days, repeat. Use card, pay within 7 days. Use card, pay within 7 days. It's not for you to go on a shopping spree so you can look good online. No, it's to build your business. You see multimillionaires, you see billionaires, and you're like, oh my gosh, this is and so forth. They're using their business credit strategically to elevate their business. Want to know where to invest? Contact us. If you need more on that and you need a one-on-one lesson on how to use business credit strategically, all of our businesses have A ratings. All of our business cards are used for each business only. We don't commingle or intermingle. So if this helped you, like, share, subscribe. I teach business structure, credit, and kingdom economics so you can build without bondage. People are telling you, yes, get this credit card and you can go ahead and get a Bentley or you can go ahead and get a Lamborghini. That's stupid. That's personal. That's different. You will get in trouble. That's not legally, that's not what it's supposed to do. You can do with your business, you can get the G Wagon. There are certain vehicles that is approved under the IRS for your business, and we can talk about that. See, people who are telling you these foolishness, they want your money. They want your money. So you pay them for the course, you pay them for this, and then boom. And then when you get into trouble financially and you lose your business, or these credit card companies start to sue you, they're nowhere to be found. We specialize in business and we have the credentials to prove it. So praise Yahweh, shalom. Grateful for everyone that watched. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Take this knowledge to better yourself and our nation as a whole.